Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on a daily chart of silver or XAGUSD, and we had this resistance for the price, which the price broke this to the upside here and made some pullbacks in the lower time frame and it started going up. Okay, and again it started falling from there and touched this support area in lower time frames. If we check that, like 4-hour time frame, we had some rejections from this support area and the price started going up, especially in the 1-hour time frame. If you check that, you can see I always say pin bar, pin bar. This is pin bar. Okay, this red candle is pin bar. A pin bar on a support or on a resistance. Okay, actually on resistance the shadow must be from upside. Okay, on support the shadow must be from downside, like this one. Okay, like this candle, exactly like this one. The price touches this support and a pin bar on that, and it starts going up. Okay, we had the chance to enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, or more safer, because we have some candles activates our stop loss here, then actually end like the candle closed like a pin bar, but it activates our stop loss, then it starts going up. Okay, you can put your stop loss a bit far in support and resistances and it gives us our reward here. Okay, but right now for the price, we have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches on it. Okay, 1, 2, 3 touches. With the break of this trend line to the downside, as you can see, we have some shadows from upside showing that the sellers are coming in. Okay, after this actually a bit pump in the price somewhere here. Okay, we have some rejections from up there. We can also imagine a resistance like this too, and the price is getting rejected from there. And if this trend line breaks to the downside, we can enter sell position, set our stop loss and get our reward. It was all about today's analysis. Let's move to the next part, the education part. Then I will show you the positions I made yesterday too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis. And also, if you liked, you can leave me a comment and ask any questions you like, actually about trading. As you can see here, we are on the 5-minute time frame of silver or XAGUSD, and it is 19th of April. As you can see on the first position, we have this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on it. It was broken here. Okay, we don't care, it is a pin bar, so it is a pin breakout because the body of the candle is out of this trend line. Okay, we can risk on that and enter sell position, put our stop loss up of the candle somewhere safe, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us something around risk to reward 3 somewhere here. We also had the chance to enter buy position with the break of this trend line to the upside here, entering here, putting our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer for risk to reward 2 or 1 and get our reward. On the second position, we had this trend line broken here. We had the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and it gives us a reward of something around 6 somewhere here. On the position 3, we had this trend line with 1, 2 touches on it. On the third time it was broken here, we could risk here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and it gives us a reward of something around 7 somewhere here, which is nice. On the trade 4, we had this trend line again. You might ask why I do trade a lot with actually trend lines. The answer is that is my strategy, and whenever I trade with support and resistances, I lose money. I also sometimes show you some support and resistances positions, but I myself rarely enter buy and sell positions based on support and resistances. On the trade 4 we had this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on it. On the 6th time it was broken here. We could risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us something around 6.4 somewhere here. On the trade 5 and the last one I believe, we had this trend line with 1, 2 touches on it. It was broken here. We had the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us something around 2.7 somewhere here. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis and the education part. Thanks for watching and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about silver and XAGUSD in the future. Thank you and bye bye.